Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to read tarot. And I'm not really a beginner, but I just am not bothered to memorize this many cards and their meanings. So I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT, which is human AI, to integrate it and show me the oracle messages I need from these. Or just the messages. It doesn't have to be oracle, but I personally like looking for oracle messages because I don't feel like I'm poking the bear as much. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, what I do is I just shuffle. Or actually, I'm just going to choose some cards. I'm just going to choose, I feel like this one. And this one. And this one. I'll just use 3 for these readings. So these 3 are the cards I got. So we got the Magician, which is supposedly manifestation, focus, creativity, skill, blah blah blah. And we got 6 of Pentacles, which is supposedly giving and receiving, help, generosity. And we also have Knight of Pentacles, which is practical, reliable, stoic, and slow, steady. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up ChatGPT, and I'm just going to enter the scenario that I'm going to be in. So I'm just going to say, what is some guidance I could get based off these cards? The Magician, 6 of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles in order. You don't have to say in order, but I'm very specific with what I want when it comes to tarot. And it then gives you a bunch of things about each description of the cards. And the combined message says, manifest your intentions, Magician, with clarity and confidence. Balance giving and receiving, 6 of Pentacles, to ensure harmony and support in your relationships or endeavors. And lastly, commit to steady, practical action, Knight of Pentacles, to turn your vision into reality. This combination encourages you to be both practical and creative, embracing collaboration while remaining focused and diligent. It's a powerful reminder to balance inspiration with grounded effort. And I think that applied for me very well because my head is always in the clouds. I forgot to say, you can have these messages be as specific as possible. Let's say you're going to a lunch and you don't know how to feel about it. Tell ChatGPT how you feel about it and integrate the tarot messages for oracle messages. Because instead of just poking the bear for problems, you rather have advice that comes out from it instead. Because it's a two-sided coin. But yeah, it can be for anything, like a rehearsal dinner, a practice with your basketball mates, anything. So I hope this helped you. And you don't even have to use tarot cards. You could use plain old playing cards. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you. And I hope it's quick enough so that you will actually stay and listen to the whole thing. But this is how I do tarot with ChatGPT. You just give them the message you want, ask them to integrate it with the cards you get. So if you like this video, please give it a like, comment with any questions, and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye!